Here is one of my most loyal clients. So this friend of mine bought around 3 machines from us. He bought the plotter, heat press machine, and a BizHub. BizHub is just the normal printer, though it's also a very powerful printer that I'll show you how it works in the near future. So during my trip to Nairobi, I went to his shop. Actually, he was totally blank in this field. So I was taking him through the training step by step. By good luck, he's a fast learner and he has a good grasp of computer. He has computer knowledge. So I was showing him how to balance the heat on different t-shirts or different materials. By the way, normally I heat press at a temperature of 150 and at a speed at a timer ni 10 seconds. So we had this artwork done. I first placed the artwork on the heat press board. Then from the neck to the artwork, you should measure at least between 6 to 10 centimeters. How do we call it? The distance between the neck and your artwork should be at least 6 to 10 centimeters. We were painting the back side, so if you have a good distance from the neck to the artwork will be right on your back. The artwork may sometimes extend to lower side of your back, which is not advisable. The artwork should remain at your back. So normally I heat press twice. I heat press, confirm if I'm not satisfied, I heat press again. That's why I normally do it at a temperature of 150 because I prefer doing the heat press twice. There is no need of having the heat press at around 200 degrees and you may end up destroying or ruining the client's t-shirt. So you better press at a moderate temperature of 150 degrees. So after that, I was showing the client on how to dismantle the machine. By the way, you can dismantle this machine. When you have bulk printing of capes, you will need to dismantle the machine and install the capes printer. So I'm just showing him how to dismantle the machine, to set it aside and have on board the the cape printing. As I did that, I was also showing him on the different materials that the machine can print, as you can see. So I'm already in the process of installing the cape printing. So there is a base for the cape, and then there is a header for the cape. The header does not have a timer. It only has a power supply. So when it comes to time, you just count the time offered. We didn't have a cape, so I had to use mine to demonstrate to him. So I was telling him, after you've placed the cape, you just press it down. But sometimes the header may not press the cape as you want. So you have to lower the header down so that when you press it, it presses the head firmly and ensure that every part of the vinyl is well pressed. Okay, so that was done. I was showing him on another shortcut of printing capes. If you don't have bulk cape or maybe you only have one cape, there is no need of dismantling the whole of this machine. You can just follow the procedures that I've shown him. You use the header and the base, but you don't install them on the machine. There is a shortcut of doing that, and shortcuts are dangerous, but when it comes to printing, you should use shortcuts wisely to save on the time, because actually dismantling this machine, it takes sometimes, it may take you around 15 to 20 minutes, and 15 to 20 minutes in the field of where productivity matters, that's a lot of time. So when you know a simpler way of doing it, why don't you do it the simpler way? After showing him how to print the capes, okay, we were assembling back the machine. Okay, as you can see, I'm showing him the right procedure on how to assemble it, because by the way you can disassemble it and fixing it back may be a problem to you. So these are the accessories that you'll find inside the box. Actually, you'll get a glove, you'll get the cape printing, different size of cups, water bottles. Actually, these are everything that you'll find in the machine. The plate, printer, everything you can see here, they supposed to be inside the machine, because this is 8-in-1 machine. So the client confirmed. Then after that, I left Nairobi immediately, as you can see. Otherwise, if you need a plotter, guys, heat press machine, if you are stuck and you don't know how to start this business, always feel free to contact me. I'll guide you for free. If you like, you can buy the machines and start the business. Then the decision is with you. Thika Road. Bye bye.